Healthy weekly lunch, Saturday. Chicken salad with vegetables, fruit and vinaigrette. There are many advantages to having a chicken salad with vegetables, fruits and a vinaigrette for lunch. Balanced nutrition. A salad combines protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates in one meal, providing nutritional balance. Also, vegetables and fruits add vitamins, minerals, and fiber to the food. Low calorie. A chicken salad with vegetables, fruit, and vinaigrette is a low-calorie option, making it ideal for those trying to watch their calorie intake. High in protein. Chicken is a good source of protein, which is important for maintaining and repairing muscles and body tissues. Increase your intake of vegetables and fruits. By choosing a salad as a lunch option, you increase your intake of vegetables and fruits, which can improve overall health. Easy to carry. Salads are easy to pack and prepare, making them ideal for those who work outside the home and don't have time to cook. Health benefits. Fresh vegetables and fruits contain antioxidants and other essential nutrients that are important for health. Easy to customize. Different vegetables, fruits, and dressings can be added to the salad to vary the flavor and keep it interesting. Vegetarian option. A chicken salad with vegetables, fruit, and vinaigrette is a vegetarian option for those following a vegetarian or vegan diet. Improves digestion. Vinaigrette is a healthy choice for salad dressing as it contains healthy fatty acids and can help improve digestion. If you think this video may be useful for some people you know, feel free to share it. Thanks for following us. See you in the next video.